in this video.
Today I'm on a mission to try the best and most extreme Adana Kebab right here in Adana city, Turkey, and I will be showing you guys how it is made, served and eaten. So
if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. And now let's go and get it done. Okay guys, as we are still in the hunt for the street foods here in Adana, now we are right here at that is Ciğerci Mehmet Usta right here in Adana city, and I think I have to go and place my order from this side here because we are going to try Adana Kebab right here in Adana city. Merhaba. Nasılsınız? Okay. So we are still inside here. As you guys can see, this is how Adana Kebab is made right here in Adana city. And let me show you guys.
and this is actually how Adana Kebab is made right here in Adana city, Turkey. As you can see, my bro is turning some meat over there on fire, and there are some tomatoes right beside it there. These are the things that made up the Adana Kebab, and it's served right in the plate that you see over there with some slice of bread that you see my bro organizing them right there on the plate. So these are the things that made up the Adana Kebab. Actually, this is how it is served right here in Adana city. Just look at it, bro. Looks delicious, not so? Wow, that's amazing. Just look at it. So that's it here. As you can see, he is slicing the breads into pieces. These are breads actually. So let me leave you guys to see how it's actually made right here in Adana city. That's all about it. And now,
so guys, right here, this is the Adana Kebab right here in Adana, and it's at Ciğerci Mehmet Usta right here in Adana city. So if you want to try this one day, make sure you come to Ciğerci Mehmet Usta right here in Adana. And now let me give it my first try ever in Adana city. This is it, bro. Just look at it. This is Adana Kebab, ultimate Adana Kebab right here in Ciğerci Mehmet Usta. Let me try it. Actually, I'm going to try the meat first, and later I will go with the bread, because you guys can see there is a bread here and there is meat. There is this tomato, as you see. This is the tomato. Yeah, that's all about the kebab. So let me try it for the first time. This is my first ever Adana Kebab right here in Adana city. Let me try it, bro. Wow, man, so nice. So now let me crush it down, and I have here with me, there's this Ayran. So let me continue with this. Crush it down, bro. Super delicious. If you are planning to visit Adana, make sure you don't miss up this spot here. I can say it's the best. Come here and enjoy it at Ciğerci Mehmet Usta right here in Adana city, bro. If you visit it one day, just make sure you locate this place and come to it. Have the same experience, bro. Let me crush this down. Yo, it's the best, man. It's delicious. Now let me try it with the tomato. This is only bread and tomato. It's delicious. Nice. Refreshing, bro. The Ayran is just calming me down. It's cold and nice. The weather is hot. As you guys can see, I'm sweating. But the Ayran is just, you know, cooling me down. So nice. Wow. It's awesome, bro. So now this is the first phase. I've just crushed down the Adana Kebab. You can see, I finished everything, bro. It was too much. I can't believe I finished it, but I just did it. So now I have to crush down the salads. This is the salad that they provide for me here. Let me take it down. Nice, bro. It's nice, man. Super delicious. Wow. Check it out. Let me crush this down, bro. One thing that I like about this restaurant here is that, you know, all these other things that you're seeing on the table here that they provide is free, absolutely free. I'm only going to pay for the whatever, for the Adana Kebab and the rest. But the other ones here, they're all free, you know. So now, let me eat. Come to Adana one day and experience all these things, bro. This is ultimate Adana Kebab. It's the best. I can say the hype is true. This kebab is the best. Nice. Wow. Taking this down. This is the second one. I don't know, man. Some onions and everything here. But all these ones are free, bro. Let me crush it, bro.